Meeoibada Toina Nagandaba Laina Shing Layengnabagi DAMAK Center of Excellence OINA SHAKHANKKHRABA RIMS-ta MASIGI Progress Athubada Uba Phanglagani HAINA RIMS-ki Director Professor G. SUNILKUMAR na PHONGDORAKLI wafam asi RIMS-ki Medical Society na Silaga Institute asigi Jubilee Hall da pangtokpa Medical Society Conference Misiko 2025 hogdokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokkibane thoram aduda Chief Case ki warol piraduna Director Professor G. Sunilkumar na hai North East Region da ihan hanba OINA amadi India gi tarahumdoi shuba OINA RIMS asi Meeoibada Toina Nagandaba Laina Shing Layengnabagi DAMAK haukiba tha anirom gi mamangda Ministry of Family Welfare na RIMS asi Center of Excellence OINA SHAKHANKHRABA hauzikti RIMS ki thak asi hena wangkhatpa amada laklabanina asigumba thakta hana leikraba atay institute singdagi tadana thabak thoram makhal makha kayagi khongthang sing paikhatpa haure hana establish tawkraba center singa lengmanana chatminaba ngamnaba RIMS ta molecular laboratory amadi tongan ba department singda mathau taba equipment sing khinbagi thabak paikhatpa leire Center of Excellence ama oibagi criteria amadi center na pirakpa chatna kanglon sing mapung fahan naba institute asi akan ba mawong da hotnari athuba matamda RIMS asi Center of Excellence ama oibagi khumang chawsin ba do uba phanglagani amaromda RIMS na singthaningai oiba fida ama phangba ngamliba asi pumnamaki chawthuk chaningai ni adubu Center of Excellence ama oibagi thakta ekhoina thabak tawdrabade center na masik kakhigani maram aduna India da singthaningai oiba center ama oinabagi damak Chokthaba naidana thabak tawminasi rare disease ki Center of Excellence pirakpagi khudong chaba ama hairagade kanagumba miyoi amada atangba makhalgi laina naba thengnarabade madubu layengnabagi damak center na lupa lakh yankhai gi senfam kaitharakani aduga investigation amasung diagnose ki damak thabak thoram pomnamakna center na tawgani hainasu Professor G. Sunilkumar na makata na phongdokhe
Few months back, the Government of India, Minister of Health and Family Welfare recognized RIMS Imphal as the 13th Center of Excellence of Rare Disease, the first on the Northeast. So that was a huge moment for us, and we are now trying to, be in the league of the rest of the established centers. And we've been trying hard for last close to a year how we are going to be at par or in the league with the other centers. And for that we have to establish lots of molecular labs, then you have lots of criteria for being in that league. And also if you don't perform, there's always a possibility of going down, de-recognized again. With those fear of surviving, we have been trying very hard to be doing our best, and we are on the right path to come to that expectation.